Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use functions in Unity to organize your code and make it reusable. What is function? Function, also called a method in Sharp, is a block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we use functions to make our code more organized and reusable. What is the purpose of a function? Makes code more readable and structured. Prevents code repetition by allowing us to call the function multiple times. Makes debugging easier since we only need to fix the code inside the function. Where are functions used? Handling player movement, managing enemy AI. Playing animations and sounds, triggering actions when a button is clicked. Now, we're going to create a function called sayHello. This function will print hello, game world, to the console when it is called. Let's get started. Step 1. Defining the function. Void gives this means the function does not return a value. sayHello gives this is the name of our function. Gives curly brackets contain the code that will run when the function is called. Step 2. Calling the function. To run a function, we need to call it by writing its name followed by. Let's do this inside start. Now, we know how to create and call a function. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.